Here in the garage with a cool new product from Lithium. This is the JA401 jump starter, which is crazy powerful, and it has some really cool party tricks I'm going to tell you about. Let's unbox it. I'll show you, tell you all about the party tricks, and then we got to go try to jump start something. All right, let's do that. So it has an effective 36-month standby charge, which is just great that you can have this. Listen, don't leave it for 36 months and be relying on, that's 3 years. Don't leave this in the garage for 3 years. Think you're gonna go pull it out and start something up. I know they say it works, doesn't sound like it makes much sense to me, but if a year goes by and you need it, that seems completely reasonable. Just every once in a while, discharge it a little bit, charge it up, start over again. I think that sounds really smart, but the idea that it could potentially last 3 years is obviously super cool. Let's take a look at it, really cool. Let's hit the power button, see if it's got any juice. It's got this cool digital screen, gives you a readout. I got 3 out of 4 bars. So we're ready to start something up. Has all kinds of intelligent technology to make sure that it doesn't damage what you're starting, as well as be reliable for you to use. Speaking of reliability, waterproof, dustproof, drop proof, all those kind of things, nice, durable, and I can tell you this is a really nice form and function. It's got the safety light. I think that's a great thing for emergencies. That's so cool. That's a nice bright light too. You can even actually see what you're doing if you have to be jumping something at night. And you also have, in addition to being able to jump things, you can charge up to 100 watts out, which is a lot of power out, either USB-C or USB-A. You can run a laptop, something like that. Certainly charge your phone easily in a jam. That's really good. Even if the power goes out in your house for a little while, it's nice to be able to have this, pull it out, and for the evening, have power for your laptop or your mobile device. Let me just show you a couple of the attachments and then we'll go out and use them. See what we got in the magic bag. First off, it's nice that it comes in this nice kind of canvas carrying case. We've got, hold on a second. Does this do air out? Does do air out. I didn't even realize that. Check this out. What a cool add to an emergency jumper. Check this out. This just screws right on here. Oh, I can't believe this. I can't believe this. So cool. Let's turn it on. Hit the pump. Okay, so some neat things I want to show you. You could choose between bar and PSI, which is great. Depending upon what you're used to working with, that is a great option. And then you can choose how many PSI you want to set it to, and it'll pump it up to that level and then just turn itself off. I think that's phenomenal. It's great that it is one less thing you have to carry, right? If this is your emergency kit for your RV or something like that, now you don't have to carry a air pump as well as a jumper for it. Super cool value add. It's got all the air attachments that you might need. Here we have USB-A to USB-C plug, and this is USB-C to USB-C. Another thing you would want to know, if you have something that could charge at that full 100 watts, this will charge in 45 minutes, which is nothing. Last thing I want you to see, woo, here we are, the cables, jump start. I think there's only one thing left to do. Let's take it out and jump start something. Okay, it's a beautiful sunny day out here today, and I have already done the dead battery thing last year, so it's not going to be dead and need to be started. These things have tons of power to start anything. But what I want to do is show you how it works so you know what to expect. All right, so let's say you come out here, your battery's dead, your wife's called you out, the car won't start. You pull out your 3750 amp jump kit, which will jump anything, right? First thing you do is you're going to plug in the cables themselves. You just flip this up. This has a square end on one side, so it will only go in one way. You don't have to worry about connecting it the wrong way, right? I got to put that here. I'll move it so you can see it better in a moment. Then you need a ground. For me, I just use this bolt here connected to the firewall. That works on my vehicle. Some of them have a separate connection for the ground. Then you just connect this on the positive side, turn it on. It's going to test the battery and give us the voltage. 14.5. 14.5, that's strong. I knew this battery was good, but that's all there is to using this. You would just go in there, crank it up, it would start right up. It would start right up 50 freaking times. That is crazy. This thing is so powerful and so awesome. Let's check out how the pump works just so you know that as well. All right, well, there we are. We're at 42. I want to move it up to 44 just as a test. Pump up. I've got a couple other portable air compressors, and I have to say, this one was so quiet. It was reasonably quick. I do have to say, I found it a little finicky. I find I have to kind of restart. This particular one, this one, and this, every third time I tried this or whatever, I had to just restart it, just turn it off, turn it on. I think as I moved between tires, it kind of reset itself. But I actually went around the car and balanced everything out. We're all at 42 pounds now. Worked perfect. I'm gonna have to say, if your wife's gonna call you in the morning, say, the battery's dead, your daughter's gonna call, my tires are low, all that kind of stuff. This is absolutely ridiculous, perfect answer. This is definitely going traveling with us with our RV. What a great option. I hope this was helpful. We'll see you next time.